If you're looking at improving your credit score, there are a few things that you should do and a few things that you shouldn't do. The first thing is pull your credit report and see what's on it, see what debts that you have. Now, this might be eye-opening to you, and you might realize, oh, whoops, like I did a couple years ago when I realized I had a credit card that I completely forgot about that I had an auto pay on. So I luckily caught it before it was due and was very happy about that. So credit reports are good to get. Now you can get a credit report from annualcreditreport.com, and that is free, or you just go to the site and pay the money and get it immediately. I personally have found it's easier just to pay for it and get it immediately than to go through all the rigmarole that the government has you go through. That's my own personal experience. The next thing that you do not want to do is you do not want to go house cleaning, and you do not want to delete any old credit cards, or there's a thunderstorm outside, or get rid of any old credit cards, because if you do that, then that is going to impact your credit history. Your credit history is 35% of your credit score, so it will have an impact on what that credit score number is. You want to make sure that you're making all of your payments on time, and you also want to make sure that your ratio of your debt to how much credit you can have is a good number. Once your credit score goes over 740, you open up a whole new avenue of lending that's available to you. You get better offers and lower percentage rates. So it's really important that you do a good job of keeping your credit score high and maintaining it in good favor.